Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install window film on a window. This particular video is specific to this Gila brand, which I got at Home Depot or Lowe's maybe, but it should work for most brands. These are the tools you'll need for this project. You'll need window cleaner and some paper towels. You'll want a tape measure, spray bottle of soapy water, razor blade, and something flat, like a credit card, or in this case I'm using the scraper for stoneware. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to measure your window pane. It's like 33 inches by 22 inches. Now that I've touched it, I'm going to clean it. You want to make sure it's cleaned really good. Then we're going to measure and cut the film. I know this is 36 inches long, so I want to get maybe about 25 inches wide on it. So I've measured. Just need to slice it with the razor blade. Using your spray bottle of soapy water, make sure it's mixed up good, and let's drench that window. Alright, it is drenched now. Now looking at the film, I'm going to take a corner and I'm going to try to peel it with my fingernail apart. There we are. Alright, so now I've got clear plastic backing and the reflective coating. This side is not sticky, this side is a little sticky, so you're going to want to make sure you have everything lined up. Start removing the backing. I'm just going to remove part of it. So I've got this whole edge exposed. Put this edge onto the window. It won't be perfect at first, and that's okay. Now I'm going to take the rest of this plastic backing off. Make sure you have plenty of overhang on each side. And there it is. It looks like trash now, so let's fix that. Using your scraper, credit card, whatever flat, rigid tool you're using, we're now going to scrape all the bubbles out. You can go up, you can go down, you can go left, right, doesn't matter too much. I had best luck going down, so that's where I'm going. Right now I'm focusing on the big bubbles, and then I'll focus on the little bubbles. Alright, now that I've gotten all the bigger stuff out, I'm going to use my razor blade again, and I'm going to cut the excess off of the edges. And you can see I just colossally screwed it up. I'm not going to worry about that little segment though, it'll be fine. Probably won't be noticeable. The final thing we want to do here is just finish getting those bubbles out. So let's do that now. Finally, once you're in a place you're comfortable with, let's go ahead and clean it off. And this gets all the smearing from scraping at it off. In a very teachable moment, I have screwed up, and you can see the bottom is off now. I was actually in the home stretch, I thought I was done, and now I have to redo the whole thing.